Welcome to today's video, where we will be sharing some valuable travel tips and hacks that will not only enhance your travel experience, but also make you a pro traveler. Whether you are a seasoned globetrotter or someone planning your first adventure, these tips are sure to come in handy. First and foremost, always make a checklist of essential items to pack before you embark on your journey. This will ensure that you don't forget any important items and save you from unnecessary stress later on. Another great tip is to research and plan your itinerary in advance. This will help you make the most of your time and ensure that you don't miss out on any must-see attractions or activities. When it comes to packing, roll your clothes instead of folding them. This not only saves space, but also helps prevent wrinkles. Additionally, invest in a good quality travel organizer to keep your belongings organized and easily accessible. One of the most important travel hacks is to always carry a photocopy of your important documents, such as your passport and visa. This will be a lifesaver in case you lose your original documents or they get stolen. Another useful tip is to download offline maps and travel apps before you leave. This will help you navigate unfamiliar places without relying on an internet connection. Lastly, always be respectful of the local culture and customs. Research about the destination's etiquette and dress appropriately to avoid any unintentional offense. So there you have it, some valuable travel tips and hacks that will make you a pro traveler. Incorporate these tips into your next adventure and watch as your travel experiences become even more enjoyable and hassle-free.